a Lydian one is to start on the F, by the way. So if you start on the F, all those notes are F Lydian.
Mm-hmm.
You can play C Lydian by just taking that arrangement of patterns, starting here from major, 7th, minor, half diminished, major, minor, minor, major, shift that down to a C, and then you're playing in C Lydian. So starting there, then there.
Really? What's that one called?
That's a D7. What I'm doing is doing that same pattern as I was doing up here, but now I'm playing a different scale, so now it fits over this scale. Rather than before I was going C major, now I'm going C Lydian. So you hear that note there going in. So now the next note in the scale is up here rather than there. So the pattern goes major, dominant, minor, half diminished, major, minor, minor, major.
That half diminished one, can we get a little bit more of a close up of how you...
Yep, so it's a major, half diminished. It's that one, that one, that one, that
Thank
one.
you.
So you're switching backwards and forwards on the fret.
Right, they're only... Yep.
The only difference between that and a full diminished, that's a full diminished, and that one, the 7th, is lowered by 1 as well.
Yeah.
So that's a normal diminished. A half diminished is you've diminished everything except the major 7th, so the major 7th is still there.
So it's bar on that 7th fret.
And then those two.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I was playing the Lydian chords. And all of those chords will fit over these notes. And the reason they do is because I'm using those notes in all those chords.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to just play chords made out of thirds. Like a C major 7 is made up of thirds. A third to there, and a third from there to there, and a third from there to there. And you get those notes which you can rearrange, and are still minus major 7. But there's still those notes. It's still a C and a B and a G and a B. C, an E, a G and a B. Just rearranged. Still creating out of those 4 notes. I can make another one making out of fourths, which would be then using a C and an F sharp. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're getting those 4 notes.
What would happen if you plug that top E? Is that firm?
Yep, that's fine. That's another fourth. In this case.
Yeah.
So that's alright. So you can do the same run up now, starting from there, but going up again in a note per scale.
Yeah.
So each of these notes then goes up to the next note in that scale. Let's check. The other notes there. So that all those chords are made up of fourths instead of thirds. And you can do that again in major or minor or whatever. A G7, make chords out of fifths as well if you want, that sort of thing.
Oh, big stretch.
But because of the way guitar works, it's pretty hard to get more than 3 notes with fourths. But you can make chords out of 2 fifths, one on top of the other. So if you go, say there,
Yeah.
as 3 fifths, a fifth to there, fifth there to there, then you get another series of fifths, which is there.
Which one the fifth that you play?
A G to a D is a fifth, and a G to an A is a fifth, D to an A is a fifth.
Yeah.
So you get that series of fifths there, and that series of fifths there, put them together, you get that chord.
Big stretch again.
But you can hear sort of 3/5 there, and 3/5 there, and together they make a really nice chord.
Yeah.